Video 290 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. We're making an MMO in JavaScript. We are on Simpler Auto Tile Shader Part 10 of this little sub-series here. And we are stubbing in code for multi-step initialization of certain specific subsystems. So this is our master subsystem list in dependency order. And certain subsystems, namely Art Deca, the decals, and Art Gola are going to have multi-step initialization. What does that mean? Well, it's not quite lazy initialization, but it's a kind of a way to mimic multi-threading. So for things that we don't need right away, we can kind of render them in the background so we can get the game up and running as fast as possible. So D for data, MSI for multi-step initialization. This is the namespace, and then we have I and I all, dex sub, and dex subsystem internal step. So we're going to use these three variables to keep track of the re-entrant functionality for multi-step initialization. And every single game frame, we're going to do a little bit more multi-step initialization until we are done initializing the systems that need multi-step initialization. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnote. So very importantly is that I want to make sure you understand that multi-step initialization is not lazy initialization. Lazy initialization is where you initialize something only if you need it. Only if that code path gets executed that needs the resource, then you initialize. You could play the whole entire game without lazy initializing something that has a lazy initializer. Multi-step initializing is always going to initialize all of the things, but we do it in a kind of a delayed fashion by using re-entrant functions. So that's kind of my explanation. We're probably out of time. Here's what we did. We just added three variables, and here's our agenda for the next videos. So with that said, if you need a longer explanation, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video number 290, hence the 290 in the corner. So like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.